Kakenhun Menteri Jongka Sorkar Jylla keblai kendu haka sauter kunaitung arhajar arpuar kalashe mekarai ben Kyntiew no Jingai jingarap neka grant in aid yagi Skul keberan haka Jylla. Menteri rang ba ke Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi Sorkar kalarai ben Kyntiew ya ke Jingai jingarap yagi Skul ad hoc. Bat ke Sorkar beros kata kala pendud arspa khat ar klur tengka henry mentakan hab ben pendud tam sa shispa klur tengka haka shisnam. Bat mentakan longno lais pa khat ar klur tengka. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi Sorkar kan Kyntiew ke grant in aid na ke benta Skul higher secondary bat kinohikai science sada khandai hajar tengka. Hakaba kinohikai higher secondary ke bujio arpusa hajar tengka shibanai mentakin yo no lai pulai hajar tengka. Kinohikai secondary ke bujio arpu hajar tengka mentakin yo no arpu khandai hajar tengka. Bat kinohikai science ke bujio arpu ar hajar tengka mentakin yo no lai pulai hajar tengka. Nalor kani kinohikai upper primary, lower primary, kinohikai Hindi bat ki fourth teacher jong ke SSA. Ke Sorkar kalarai ben Kyntiew no ke Jingai jingarap sada 100 hajar tengka. Hagaba kinohikai upper primary ke bujio khat 100 hajar mentakin yo no arpu ar hajar. Kinohikai lower primary, kinohikai Hindi bat ki fourth teacher jong ke SSA ki bujio khat ar hajar tengka mentakin yo no khat pra hajar tengka. Menteri rang ba ke Jylla ulong bagi Sorkar kam shemle kren ne shemrai AA ha ke bede bagi jengdawa kinohikai ad hoc ban penkiu san na kasispa ikatulap jengki man la kesnem.
And in the previous years, government of Meghalaya has been providing aid to these privately run schools run by the managing committees, and certain amount of lump sum grant is given every month to these schools. There has been a demand from the teachers who are working in these private schools run by the management committees that this grant and aid which the government of Meghalaya gives should be enhanced. As you're aware, in the year 2017, in the month of June, there was enhancement that was made at that point in time. And based on the different memorandums that have come, the Education Department has put up a proposal which the Cabinet discussed in detail, and we have decided to enhance the grant in aid to these privately run ad hoc schools. For the different categories that are there, the higher secondary, the secondary and the science teachers, the Cabinet has decided as that the enhancement will be 9,000 rupees for this category, which means the higher secondary teacher who used to get 24,000 will get 33,000 now. The secondary teachers who used to get 20,000 will get 29,000, and the science teachers who used to get 22,000 will get 31,000. The other category is the UP, the LP, and the Hindi teachers, and also the fourth teacher of the SSA. In these four categories, we have decided to enhance the salary by 6,000, which means the upper primary teachers who used to get 16,000 rupees will now get 22,000 rupees. The LP school teachers who used to get 12,000 will get 18,000 rupees. The Hindi teachers who used to get 12,000 will also get 18,000 rupees. And the fourth teacher for the SSA who used to also get 12,000 rupees will get 18,000 rupees now. So the total impact of this will be roughly about 100 crores annually. So from 212 crores which is given now, in the coming years, every year the enhancement will go by, as I said, go up by about 100 crores. So roughly about 310 plus minus crores will be the impact. So there's about 100 crores impact will be there on the overall amount that the government will have to spend. We have not decided on giving 5% increment. We have to understand the basic facts when it comes to ad hoc teachers. that these are basically privately run schools. And these are not government schools. It's like having a private hospital and doctors working there and government supporting with a grant to the schools or the hospitals that may be functioning. So therefore, the entire onus actually is on the managing committee. They may be charging fees. The fees never comes to government, and it stays with the managing committees. So this is a overall grant that the government gives because we feel that education is important, and therefore we give that grant. So therefore, the provision to have a 5% increment was something that we did not take a decision on, and it will be difficult keeping the financial challenges and constraints. Even this decision that we took, as I said, has an impact of 100 crores, which I have been mentioning from day one, will have to be cut from other departments' budgets to make up for this, because there's budgetary allocation for every sector and every department, and based on that, financial decisions are made. So hence, it is not easy, but because of the fact that we have seen that there is always, from time to time, there is revision that is made in the different grants that are made to these privately run schools, we have decided that we will give an enhancement, as I said, for the first category, 9,000, and for the second category, 6,000 enhancement will be there.
Na kaliang kinohikai hapok kalama jangka FASTOM gilapen pau bakim kemen ya karai jangka Sorkar Jylla ban Kyntiew ke grant and aid. Bat kumta kene ka kenhuan kan se kendo aka santrek unaitung arhajar arpuar ban shim ya karai ke ke bakin le nang Nesha Khmat. Unong ai ktian ka FASTOM uba mebon lengdo ulong bakin hikai kim snotenat ikarai ke belashim de ka kenhuan menteri. Namar kinohikai kim shim ladawa ban Kyntiew kumbakal ai mentai ketulop. Bat kumbakalong mentai ken beteng bat kin se kren ya ke karai ke bapura ke bakin sashim haka santrek unaitung arhajar arpuar.
When we kept telling them again and again and again and again that the salary enhancement that we are looking for should be uniform. It means should be the same. What they are doing is trying to divide the teachers. This is the same old policy that is being done, that is being followed by the Britishers while they were in India. Divide and rule. We are not happy, Mr. Conrad Sangma. We are not happy, Mr. Preston Tinsong. And we are not happy, Mr. Lakman Ramboy. If it doesn't have that much of money, like I said in the past, we will discuss. We understood. Our first demand stood at the deficitization. They said they cannot. We came down to the deficit pattern. They said they cannot. And we came back down to the 18% of enhancement and 5% of increment. The increment, forget it. We did not, it was not even considered. And now we are getting something which is just like pebbles with no value. Therefore, dear teachers, I would request you tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. to think this through over tonight, and please come back. We will have a decision tomorrow what we need to do and how we should move forward. We are not happy with how the government has decided to treat us. We did not ask for 50% of enhancement or 100%. Whereas if you take a look right from 2010 till 2016, there was an enhancement of 220%. We did not ask for 220% from the government. We are only asking for an average 75% of enhancement, but even that is not being given to us. When we take a look at the secondary, the higher secondary and the science teachers, we are being given 50% of what we demanded. Whereas if we take a look at the LP section and the UP, we got 25% of what we demanded. That is a blatant insult. That is a blatant disrespect. And that is something that the MDA government should not have done, because it should have taken us into account